Hi, today I'm going to start to talk about how we can use the Octave or MATLAB for data sciences in a new series. But before I start that, first in this video I'm going to start talking about how to set up the uh, Octave. For those of you who don't know, the Octave is the uh, open source software that it has a syntax very similar to MATLAB. In most cases identical to MATLAB. So for many cases you can use it instead of MATLAB. Uh, uh, the things that it doesn't have all the software or all the packages that the MATLAB offers, but in many cases you can use it within the default software or default packages or the third-party packages. Anyway, so um, if you to start downloading, you can go to this website here and then go down and you can download it. So you can see the latest release there, and then you can go to the download page to download the whatever version that you want. After you download it, so I'm using the Windows, you can go ahead and wherever you download it, you double click on that and you um, start the installer to install the Octave. When it starts, uh, it's nothing special, so just click and then click and click. Uh, you can, if you here if you, I don't want to register the .m file to with the Octave because I have MATLAB. I want the .m file to be registered to MATLAB. But if you don't have MATLAB and you only have the Octave, you can register .m file to Octave. So I don't want that, and I don't want that. Here it gives you these two. Just leave it where it is, and next ask about the space and where it started, and then you click on install. It probably gonna take a while before it install all the packages and gets ready to be used. So I'm gonna pause and I will be back when it's finished installed. Okay, it finished setup and installed the Octave, so now we can just finish it. So I don't want any of these, and I will say finish. After it installed, we can come here and just type it, and usually it has it gives you two ones. So this is the command line version. We don't want it, we want the GUI version, and you just click on the GUI version. And it depends if it's the first time you're installing it, it's gonna ask you some question that you might want to go through them and, for example, uh, give them the access. So the, some of the things depend on you can go through them and so it will start like that. Use the use. So then you can open it. Usually I would bring it here. So this is going to be the Octave that we have. Remember that when the Octave install, it has some built-in function that we can use, but also it can have some three-party packages that we can use for our work. So here, if you go to the home page again and you move on, you will see the Octave packages that if you click on these links will bring you here that you can see the list of packages, or you can go to the Octave force that you have, and again you can see the packages. Some of the packages are already installed there, so you can use this command, the package list, to see what's installed. So if you come here and type package list, it will gives you the list of the packages that's already installed. So most of these packages are third-party packages, not part of the um, it's not part of the core or the standard library of the Octave. there. If there is any packages that you wanted and you don't see it there, you can use package install dashboard and then space package name. And the for package name, again, you can find the packages here, go through them, see all the packages available, or you can come here and go through the packages available, and if it's not there, you can install it. By the way, most of the packages, I said, is already installed here, but remember they're not loaded. If you want any of them to work with them, you have to load them. By default, they're not gonna load. For example, if you want to load the signal processing package, so you have to come here, type package, I think it's load and package load, and then name of the uh, packages, and it will load the packages. So now you have access to all the function that the signal packages has. So this is how we set up the Octave. In another video, I will go through the interface and I will familiarize you with the different part of the interface.